Welcome everyone. Problem on chemical kinetics. When the initial concentration of a reactant is doubled, the half-life, that is T half of the reaction, is half. Calculate the order of the reaction. Now see the calculation. We know that the half-life, that is T half, for an nth order reaction is equal to K by A to the power n minus 1, where K is the constant, A is the initial concentration, and n is the order. We mark this equation as equation 1. Here given, when the initial concentration of a reactant is doubled, the half-life of the reaction is half. So, half T half is equal to K by 2A to the power n minus 1. We mark this equation as equation 2. Now divide equation 1 by equation 2. So, T half by half T half is equal to K by A to the power n minus 1 by K by 2A to the power n minus 1, or 2 is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1, or n minus 1 is equal to 1, or n is equal to 2. Therefore, the order of the reaction is 2, that is second order. Thank you for watching this video.